Hello friends, I am Chandana and welcome you to my channel Our Education. So in today's video I am going to discuss which is the best IAS coaching in Trichy. If you are searching for best IAS coaching in Trichy, then this video is going to be very important for you. So just watch my full video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so just let's start. So our rank 1 coaching is Plutus IAS. Plutus IAS is one of the best coaching in all over India, which provides service in both online and offline mode. Yeah, Plutus IAS is one of the best coaching where you can get live online classes. You can have two-way interaction, live interaction. Just by sitting in your home, you can prepare your IAS by appearing in live classes. And here faculty members are very knowledgeable and highly qualified faculty members. They support you in every way. Whatever you have doubt, you can ask them in class. And if you are a person that you can't ask in class, then there is a doubt session organized every week. You can ask your doubts in that doubt session and you can clarify your all doubts. All the best study materials are provided by Plutus IAS. Best focused syllabus are prepared by them, where you can study and prepare your notes in best way and you can crack your IAS exam with good rankings. Okay, and if we talk about the result of Plutus IAS is very awesome. Since last few years, Plutus IAS is giving very good results. Students preparing for Plutus IAS, they are cracking IAS exam with good ranks. More than 50% result is given by Plutus IAS in last year. So student has given very good rating to this coaching, that is 4.8 out of 5. And here faculty members are very supportive. They support you in every situation. If you have any doubts regarding your study or anything, they will always support you. Here you are provided counseling session also. Okay, so this is going to be one of the best coaching if you want to prepare on online mode. Okay, and this coaching is available in offline mode in Noida also, so you can join that also. So once go and visit its website Plutus IAS, you will get all the information about this coaching. Okay, so now let's move to our next rank 2 coaching. Our rank 2 coaching is The Hindu Zone. The Hindu Zone is one of the best platform in all over India, where all the best coaching of India is registered, whether it be online coaching or offline coaching. All the best online and offline coaching are registered on The Hindu Zone. Okay, here you are thinking that yes, all the coaching are registered, but what we have benefit from this? So just listen to me. The Hindu Zone has all the coaching registered on its site, so you can prepare for any of your favorite coaching. Okay, if you think that any coaching is best for you and due to any reason you can't take admission in that coaching, then you can just go to The Hindu Zone and you can take your classes, your IAS preparation classes from your favorite coaching just by sitting in home. Yeah, this is going to be very good benefit for you. And if you are thinking that how you will ask your doubts, so every week doubt clearing session is also organized. Mock test is also conducted. All the facilities are provided to you. Okay, so just you can visit its website, and one of the specialty of The Hindu Zone is that it provides you free counseling session. If you are confused that which coaching is good for you, which coaching is best for you for your preparation, then you can just go to The Hindu Zone and you will get the best counseling service. Okay, so once visit its website thehinduzone.com. Okay, so now let's move to our next rank 3rd coaching. Rank 3rd coaching is Yojana IAS. Yojana IAS coaching is available for both English medium and Hindi medium students. If you are preparing from Hindi medium, then Yojana IAS is going to be a best option for you, and if you are preparing from English medium, then also you can prepare from Yojana IAS. Here faculty members are specialized in their subjects. Study materials are prepared and all the syllabus are prepared in very focused manner. Okay, you will get all the facilities, and this coaching is also available in online mode. So this is going to be another benefit for you. You can prepare for your IAS, whether you are in English medium or Hindi medium, you can prepare just by sitting in your home on online mode, and you are getting all the facilities on online mode. Okay, so once go and visit its website Yojana IAS. Okay, So now let's move to our last and rank 4th coaching. Our rank 4th coaching is Kautilya IAS. Kautilya IAS is one of the best specialized coaching for judiciary civil service. If you are preparing for judiciary civil service examination, then Kautilya IAS is going to be one of the best option for you. Here you will get all the facilities, all the notebooks, study materials, notes. Mock test will be conducted. Best faculty members, they will support you in every possible manner. Okay, so just you have to go and take admission in this one of the best coaching. Okay, Kautilya IAS. So once go and visit its website, you will get all the information about it. So that's all for today. We will meet in our next video, and if you are new to my channel, just go and subscribe my channel because we bring videos like this regularly. Okay, thank you.